Hello, AG Squared here. If you have a door that doesn't want to close, it may be due to a couple reasons. If you hear the door scraping around any of the frames surrounding it, then the issue may be fixed by simply bending the hinges. Check out This Is Carpentry's YouTube channel, as they have a perfect video on how anyone can easily adjust a door hinge. But if the door isn't scraping anything, and instead you need to push a door really hard to get it to close, then you have yourself a misaligned strike plate. So here's an example on how I fixed this at a property my company manages. Here you can see as I close the door, I can easily open it without turning the knob. Not good. Now, if we take a look at the strike plate, you'll notice that there's damage to the frame, also not a really good thing, but that there's a screw missing, which is causing the plate to be very loose. So I'm going to remove the screw, bring the plate closer to the door, and then screw it in using 4-inch wood screws. 4-inch screws will hold the door stronger than a typical 1 to 2-inch screw. Here is the final result. Pushing the door gently results in door closing. Another easy DIY issue fixed and a happy tenant.